So today we're gonna check the blower motor. Very loud when I start the truck. Whenever I put on full speed. So very easy. Ton of YouTubes on it. I got an 06 Ram 1500. So it's the mega cabs, big cab. It's always nice to have your specific model. So it's pouring in New Jersey. I'm gonna jump in my truck now so I don't get dished all over. Yeah, so it's underneath the front dash. I'm gonna flip it on the fly. Of course I can't. So here's the mega cab setup I got. 06. No flash. And the blower motor's there. Unplug your plug. And take your 3 Torx bit screws out. Mine don't have, oh, mine do have the hex on it. It looks like 8mm. Didn't even see that. And I got the flat for a flathead. I used the T15. It used to say it on there. T15, it's on the end there. And the 3 bolts come out. Let's see what we're working with here. Ah! Oh, is that something else? I thought there would be like, if you see people pull their stuff out, you got like rat's nest, bird's nest. I have what looks like a, squeeze it. Squeeze it top sitting in there. Son of a gun. It did kind of happen suddenly. I guess they say that you put stuff in the dash or somehow it falls in there, so. Cool. That's out. I thought the fins were broken. Sweet, that means I don't have to clean nothing. Take a look up inside there and just triple check that before I install. Of course I can't see anything. Paw Patrol. There on the double. You can tell I have kids, right? How's it look up there? Oh, nice and clean. Sweet. I got blend door issues too, so maybe I can tackle that. This truck's becoming a project. So there you go, 3 bolts on the motor. Very easy to get to. Passenger side, underneath, boom, boom, boom. Blower motor noise. I mean, it was loud. So, put that in and start it up and see if I fixed it.